Hello, welcome back. This is video number 2 for Flash event handling. Today we're going to do key down events. Have a quick recap. Last video we managed to control mouse click event. By clicking on this button, we move to this button. By clicking on this button, we move to a different frame. Okay, quick recap. That moved. That's a different frame. Okay, it's working. Let's have a look at the code. Remember, it's the object has the listener now and listen to the event, calls the handler, and then you define the handler by giving code controlling movement or navigation. Okay, remember, this is the information passed along when the handler was being called. Okay, basically this one is all the information about the event. It's a mouse click, where, when mouse was clicked. For example, today we're going to use key presses to move button. For example, we're going to press the arrow keys, up and down keys, left and right keys to move this one. So this one can move up and down. Let's go start. Again, you must have a listener, otherwise no one's going to detect the key pressing. So who is going to listen? It's a stage, because the keyboard is not pointing at any object, therefore you let the whole stage listen. Okay, add event listener. Okay, stage add event listener. Listen to what? Listens to keyboard event key down when the key is pressed down, and call key down handler. Okay, copy paste this one, function key down handler. Now again, the information is being passed along when the handler is called event, but this time is keyboard event type of information. Okay, now any key that's pressed down, there is an event sent to the handler, but we need to find out which key it is being pressed, because different keys will have different functions. For example, we want the left arrow key to move button to the left, and so on. Yeah. How do we detect it? Switch event key code. Okay, we use a switch statement. The event object will have information about which key has been pressed. Okay, we know the key code for left arrow key is 37, so case 37, that is the left key being called. Okay, case 38, we know that. Case 39, we know that. And case 40. Okay, you can guess which one is which. Okay, if not, 37 is at left. 38 up. 39 right. 40 down. This one is case, not capital. If the left key is pressed, then we want a button 2 X. Button 2 moves to the left, therefore the X value will be reduced by 10 by whatever number, but it's on the basis of where it was. So it's a button 2 where you were, take away 10, now it's your new position, and break. This break is important because once you've done this line of code, you should not go down to execute the next few lines and you just exit switch statement. If not, you'll be doing all left, up and right and down, all 4 movements. Okay, because by default, if you don't use break, the computer will run the whole block as a sequence one by one. Now this time I'm going to copy this. So button when it's up, Y value reduced. Yeah, by 10 is fine. I'm going to use this one. This is going to right. The right, that means is increased. The X value is increased. This one, Y value increased because it's going down. You know, the origin of the stage is the top left corner. Goes to the right, increasing X value, going down with increasing Y value. Okay, now we've got 4 arrow keys programmed. Let's test it. Okay. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Okay, done.